We'll have another update on this game before the end of primetime sports. West Indies coach Stuart Law says while the Caribbean team is focused on winning the third and deciding test against England starting Thursday at Lord's, it will not be all about winning. The three-test series between the West Indies and England is locked at 1-1, with the Caribbean side having tied the series with a stunning 5-wicket victory in the second match at Headingley last week. Law was asked about the chances of the number 8 ranked Windies team of pulling off a remarkable series victory over their more fancied opponents.
Jermaine Blackwood looked to finish things in a hurry.
Straight back over his head.
We're not talking about winning the series. For us, yes, it is the last game of the series, but it's an opportunity for us to play at the home of cricket. Not many guys in this dressing room or our dressing room played here before. Just to soak it all up, there's a lot more sting to a Lord's Test. There's more media, there's more people, there's more carnival, if you like, and plus the history that's gone before us just sets it up for a fantastic opportunity for our boys to go out and enjoy playing a game of cricket.
In the meantime, England fast bowler James Anderson is insisting he won't be distracted by personal landmarks during the upcoming series decider against the Windies. The 35-year-old is only 3 wickets away from joining West Indies great Courtney Walsh and Australian Glenn McGrath as the only pacers with 500 test dismissals.
In test match cricket, and he's played quite splendid.
It's obviously nice to the fact that I've played for long enough to be able to get this close to 500 is something that I'm very proud of. But to be honest, I do try and put it to the back of my mind. I've got a job to do this week. We desperately need to win this test match to win the series. So I'm going to be focused completely on doing my job for the team when we get out there on Thursday.
It felt like history was set to
Anderson believes that Thursday's deciding test will bring out the best in his teammates.
It makes for an exciting test match here. A decider, that extra pressure will find out a bit more about people's character and things like that. So it should be an exciting week.